How to replace missing Apple AirPods or AirPods Pro. If you lost one or both of your Apple AirPods, there's an easy way to replace them. This method would also work if you need to replace a missing charging case. First, you'll need to buy replacement AirPods. If you want to know where you can buy them, I'll post a link down in the description area and in the comments section below. You can buy just one or both missing AirPods. Once you receive replacement AirPods, on your phone go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap the information button next to your AirPods. Tap on Forget this device. This will ensure your iPhone is no longer trying to find and connect to your missing AirPods. Next, put both AirPods into the charging case. The indicator light should be flashing orange. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until you see the indicator light flashing white. Close the charging case and place it close to your iPhone. Open the AirPods case and follow on-screen instructions to connect your new AirPods. Alternatively, you can connect your AirPods in the Bluetooth section of the Settings app. All set, enjoy your day.